Okay, we got a competitor's product, which is that, I don't know, it's like a product that actually mimics the hidden brackets and covers the gutter. Puts, it's a flat stock that has a bunch of holes in it, just like a filter. And the leaves are covering it. The water's overflowing these gutters tremendously, so everything's covering them. So anything that comes off the roof edge is hitting it and shooting over, but there's also a lot that's going behind the gutter, which is dangerous. And this is what we have to compete against. So we might as well point it out to you. The upper here obviously fell off, and you can see how this product works. It's inside the gutter. There's the gutter that fell. So that's just a louver or a filter that is fastened to the back of the gutter and then clips onto the front of the gutter, but it's supposed to be up there on the overhang. So I'm suspect that what's happening is this is allowing too much water to get in behind the gutter, and his fascia board has rotted out and the overhang fell off. So I'm gonna recommend putting helmet, at least on this one that we're doing. We got a damaged gutter over there in the middle, but you can also see how his posts are taking their toll down at the bottom. All of this green slime has a constant splashing of these gutters overflowing. You can see them over there, and you can see a ton of black soot underneath the gutter here. And what that's telling me is that the water is getting behind the gutter. So this front gutter got damaged too. So they got a bit of an insurance claim here. It's not that big, but got to get something done. Got to have them gutters.